Hey, what's up, y'all? Your boy Domino 7 is back with another video, live stream video on Facebook. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. So here I am, about to get y'all to talk as is. You know. All right. So anyway, what I want to talk about is to about life or whatever the heck I'm trying to say. You know. All right. Been on YouTube, but this also gonna be on YouTube. Okay. All right. Okay. So what I want to say is that for some people to just be around people they don't like and stuff like that, I'm like, what's the purpose of being around somebody you don't like? You see somebody you don't like, don't be around them. You know, that's all I'm gonna say. Do not be around them. Life is too short to be wanting to fight somebody for what? Because you don't like that person? Because you don't like somebody? Hmm. I remember one time a girl went to a second line, and then she got into a fight with somebody because that girl seen her and all that. I kind of wonder what did this girl did to that person. I mean, there's something, but all I see, they won't be harassed and want to fight cause of commotion and all that. Huh? Be that way. You hear me? So that's all I say. You don't have to like Domino, but there's some people that don't like Domino, but Domino don't care. Because like I say, I'm not here to please people. You know, I'm here to please myself and the good Lord. Because all I know is God's got my back. But some of you people, y'all 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 worship the devil. Some people worship the devil. Hmm. So, like I said, I'm not gonna burn in hell for nobody. You hear me? Hmm. Cause my last dying days. If I'm if if I'm getting ready to pass away, and if my oldest brother comes see me, I'll talk nice to him. Cause I don't want God to tell me to turn myself around and stuff like that because I did what I did and say what I said to him. You know, okay? Because my oldest brother, mm-mm, nope. I'm not. I'm not gonna be a sucker for him no more. Honestly, because honestly, he had me fooled a long time ago. Mm-hmm. Because I don't hate my brother and stuff like that. Love him from a distance. You know, not taking him for granted. He took us for granted. You know, done some evil things, and his evil friends, gangster thug friends, and stuff like that. Coming at me, I'm down bad. Domino was never down bad. You hear me? So letting some of y'all know if you friends with Loco, okay. If you're friends with Loco and you're on this side, you an idiot. You hear me? Cause guess what though? I don't have time for negativity. You hear me? Never have time for negativity. This is just a live stream talk, you know. So so yeah, y'all. This is just a talk, Not talk about nothing negative, you know. Just saying, So this is just the talk, you know, like I did on YouTube and stuff like that. Okay. So anybody that's watching me right now, don't worry about me. It's just a talk, you know. That's all. Okay. So so anybody that's watching this, right now, in the present, or watching this a couple of years from now, or something like that, Okay, so all I'm saying, y'all don't have to like Domino. You hear me? You don't like Domino, that's on you. You hear me? Cause, like I said, do not be around somebody you don't like. Do not be around nobody you don't like. You hear me? Cause if you don't like somebody, that's fine. Because being around somebody you don't like, just like long time ago, I don't remember what year it was, but I didn't have a chance to watch this happen. Yeah, with Geraldo getting arrested a long time ago because he had a fight with somebody, you know, and whoever that guy was, that had a fight with Geraldo years ago, while Geraldo was out in the community with his show and his camera crew and stuff like that, and then this guy was like, "I ain't talking to you," and stuff like that, cursing him out. But you know what? I don't know why whoever he was, you know, whoever that guy was that fought Geraldo, whoever he was, I don't even know if he's still alive. I don't know if he's still alive though. But I must say, y'all, why be around somebody you hate? That's not right. That's really not right, honestly. Okay, because you don't like a person, then that's your problem. That's your problem. You hear me? But don't go around somebody you don't like. You hear me? Don't even go talk to that person. Okay? So there's some people that don't like Geraldo, some people that don't like Donald Trump, you know. But like I said, you don't like a person, don't go around them at all. Do not go around somebody you don't like. You hear me? Cause that means you making yourself a villain. You making yourself a villain. You understand? People are dying every day. And my friend Randy, he lost his grandmother yesterday, and as y'all saw yesterday, that that yesterday was my grandmother's birthday, and we sung happy birthday. Me, my auntie, and my cousins. Yep. So so I must say, y'all. I mean, I I had to sing, do this. Hmm. Make it so memorable. Make it memorable. And then my grandmother is smiling down on us, hmm singing happy birthday to her and all that, it was happy memories with my grandmother, you know. So I mean, I miss her cooking, and now I'm gonna miss Randy's grandmother cooking, Yep. I'm definitely gonna miss the cooking. My grandmother cooking, his grandmother cooking. Because every holiday I used to go to his family first, and then I go to my family afterwards. Every year, you know, I go to his family, and I go to my family. Okay, go to his family, I go to my family. But I see that I just have to go to my family now. Okay, because I go to two families every holiday, like I used to. Thanksgiving, Christmas, uh, Easter. Well, actually, let me keep it real. Okay, Thanksgiving and Christmas. Thanksgiving and Christmas, I go by Randy's family first, and then second by my family. I used to do that every year. You know, hmm before Katrina, one time, before Katrina, okay, and then after Katrina, I was going by his family and then my family. Yep. So now I'm just gonna go by my family. for the holidays, because that's what I love to do. Because I I love the Randy family, and yes, I still love Randy family. Hmm as much as I love my family, you know. So now I'm not gonna be lonesome for the holidays. At least I got you viewers. I got my fans. I got my family. My family is the reason why I'm doing my show. You know what I'm saying? And not only that, Tanya is the reason why I got a show right now. Cause she always believed in me. She told me when I get famous, do not forget about her. Do not forget about her. That's what she told me. But guess what, Tanya? If you're watching this right now, I ain't gonna never forget about your sweetie pie. No matter what happened between me and you, Tanya, uh, uh, ain't nothing gonna gonna come between us unless it's your say your children. Well, let me rephrase that. Okay, okay. I'm sorry. I think I said something wrong. You heard me? I think I said something wrong. Okay, so let me rephrase that. Okay, so so like I said, y'all, me and Tanya gonna always be friends. I miss Tanya. I pray for Tanya. Hope she's doing good. I have no animosity towards her. You hear me? Uh-huh. So Tanya will always be my friend. Tanya introduced me to a lot of people. You hear me? And she told me I would have a show. I'm gonna make it. She told me all that. You hear me? She told me all that. She have a good heart. Even though we had a falling out long time ago, guess what? We patched things up. Hopefully, we'll patch things up this year or next year or year after next. Okay? Bring my show out there to New Iberia, you know? Yep. Hopefully, me and Taya gonna see each other again. I hope and pray, because we gotta speak to each other again, because we've been good friends, and I'm gonna meet her other two kids that I haven't met because they wasn't born when I was living out there in New Iberia. They wasn't born. I already met her oldest son, Traylon, and y'all seen him on my show, okay? If y'all watched the show, you know. Mm-hmm. All right, so that's all I gotta say right now, okay? All right. So thank y'all for watching, okay? All right, so before I forget, y'all, I already mentioned Shamika on my live stream though. So Shamika is my best friend. Well, new best friend in 2014. Okay, so anyway, like I said, Shamika is my best friend. My family thought I was in love with her, but no, I'm not in love with her. I'm only in love with the friendship. Okay. All right, that's all I gotta say. Thank y'all for watching. All right, see ya.